Hi, I'm Lee Lefevre, your host here at the Explainer Academy, and I've made animated explainer videos at Common Craft since 2007, and I know the process well. And now I'm hosting workshops that help professionals like you turn your idea, product, or service into an animated explainer video. The workshops happen over 5 one-hour sessions online with me. We'll step through every part of the video production process. That includes the big idea, explanation skills, the script, storyboard, animations, recording, and it all happens using simple, common tools like PowerPoint and Keynote. Now, the key thing about this workshop is it's not just a broadcast. We will actually work together. I will assign you projects to work on between sessions, and then I'm available to you between sessions to review your scripts and review your storyboards. We work with small groups, so it's a highly personalized experience. So if that sounds good to you, I hope that you'll join me in this workshop.